Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find BNB wallet address on Binance. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing, you need to open your Binance exchange. Once you have logged into your Binance account, you need to click on assets at the bottom right corner. After that, click on add funds. Now you need to click on this on chain deposit button, and in the search bar, search for BNB itself and click on BNB. Now here you need to choose a network from these three out there. So you can choose any of these, but you have to choose a network that offers you a minimal fees. In my opinion, you need to click on this BNB Smart Chain option because it offers you 0.15 USDT fees. So simply select it, and always keep in mind that you have to select same network on the both side or you will lose all your funds permanently. So simply click on BNB Smart Chain, and here you can see your BNB wallet address along with the QR code. Simply tap copy to copy this address, or you can share this QR code directly. And that's it. Now you know how to find BNB wallet address on Binance. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.